Sogno building epic Fiam. Wow. 40171. Where? What the fuck? 40171. 11554. Sogno building. Traversa Domenico Fontana 25. Or via Sigmund Freud. Awesome non-resistant buttons. But I have no idea. Really, I have no idea. These doors are very weird. Weirdest doors I've ever seen in my entire life. Good that is a camera here. Such a pearl, this Fiam Lavedra. Just upgraded by buona volontà. And luckily, not with the worst modernization ever. But this is also very creepy. And now we go to the second elevator. Hope if this is original. Oh no. I'm just a push. Wow. Salve, sono appassionato di ascensori. Non si preoccupi. Wow! Man doors, they've left everything original. 401 722 11553. Wow, this is completely original. Wow! Awesome! This one is amazing. It's also very long. It did not make sense. It did not make sense. So long. But it's amazing. And that's it.